Hi, this is Mr. Rutherford. In this problem, we will learn to solve a system of inequalities by graphing. Solve the system of inequalities by graphing. 3y plus 2x is greater than or equal to 3. 6y is less than or equal to negative 4x minus 24. The first thing we're going to do in order to graph these two inequalities is to rewrite both of them into slope-intercept form. Remember that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Now notice in this situation we do not have an equal sign, we have two inequalities, but we're still going to use the same idea. So this means that in the first inequality we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. So we'll have 3y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 3. Now we need to divide both sides of our inequality by 3 so that we can have a coefficient of 1 with the y. So we have y is greater than or equal to, this will give us negative 2/3 x plus 1 because 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this is going to be our first inequality. So let's graph this. First, we'll start at the y-intercept, which is up 1 from the origin. Notice we have a slope of negative 2/3. So we have a rise over run. Our rise is down in this case, so we'll go down 2 and to the right 3. I could have also gone up 2, but then I would be required to go to the left 3. Notice that this is greater than or equal to, so this means that we're going to have a solid boundary line and that we're going to shade above. Okay, so here is y is greater than or equal to negative 2/3 x plus 1. Now let's rewrite the second inequality. So in the second inequality we said we had 6y is less than or equal to negative 4x minus 24. So in this case, notice the y and the x are on the correct sides of the inequality. So now all we need to do is to divide both sides of the inequality by the coefficient of y, which is 6. So the 6's will cancel, so we have y is less than or equal to negative 4 over 6 can be simplified to negative 2/3 x. Negative 24 divided by 6 is negative 4, so we'll have minus 4. So here's our second inequality. So let's graph this. So we start at the y-intercept, which is negative 4, so I'll go down 4 from the origin. Again, we have a slope of negative 2/3, so I can go down 2 from the y-intercept into the right 3, or we can go up 2 into the left 3. Again, my boundary line will be solid because we have less than or equal to, so I'll draw my boundary line with my arrows. Now this is less than or equal to, so this means we're going to shade everything below. So let's label this. This is our y is less than or equal to negative 2/3 x minus 4. Now notice here it says to solve the system of inequalities. As you notice, each region or solution set, in each case, neither of them cross one another. So we can say here we have an empty set, or there is no solution.